Welcome to 52300 Eisenhower Drive. 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home, sparkling pool and spa. Look at those mountain views. Great front courtyard. I'll go in a second. Show you this view one more time. Come on into the spacious home. Move-in ready. Laundry room, garage. Great room. It's offered furnished for inventory, $699. Great floor plan. Look at these updated kitchen countertops. Spacious kitchen. Not sure you can see the mountain view from here, but great floor plan. There's patio off the back as well for barbecue. Come on into this is, I call it an atrium. It's like a bonus area. It could be an office, could be exercise area. Primary suite. Spacious. Another patio right off the primary. Full bathroom. Nicely updated shower, tub. 2 vanities. Water closet. Look at this walk-in closet. Very nice. And a tub shower combo. Go in here to the 2nd bedroom. Spacious. Also has a closet. Powder room. 3rd bedroom with a nice closet as well. And then the bathroom for those 2 bedrooms. Shower tub combo, water closet. It's a great opportunity here in the Quinta Cove. $699, 52300 Eisenhower. Any questions on the Quinta real estate market, give me a call. Have a great day.